Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about how you can download and install the Tableau application. To download Tableau application, you might be needed to purchase it, or even if you are a student, you can easily download it with a subscription of 1 year. If you don't want to purchase the application, you can go for a trial period of 14 days. So the link for the trial version is given on the screen, and also the student version is given on the screen. You can head to this website, and there you can see the downloader to install the tab. For the trial version, since the period is just for 14 days, you can extend it by applying a student ID. If you have a student ID, you can get up to 1 year of subscription. After you have been added to the downloading screen, there might be a version info for you. If you are running a computer that is 32-bit, you can choose to go with the 32-bit version. If you are having a 64-bit computer, you can choose that version. After installation of the version, you would be redirected with this dialog box. Here, you can click on run, and then it would start installing the tab. On the next screen, you would be redirected to the terms and conditions, that is the license agreements. You have to you have to tick this checkbox, and then you can click on the install button. After you have been installed with the Tableau's version, you can choose to exit it, and then you would be redirected to activate the Tableau. So as I have already told you, if you are a student, you can easily do the registration with your student's email ID. If not, you can enter some basic details like first name, last name, email address, and your address. And not everything is compulsory over here. So if the thing is not mandatory, you can also choose to skip that part. After that, the registration would be complete and you can click on continue button over here. The first screen that you see when you have installed the Tableau is this blue screen. Here you can see that we are being shown on the left hand side that we can connect to various data sources. For example, right now on the screen, I can see I have this Excel file, I have text file that is the CSV file, I have this Microsoft Access file, statistical file, and other kind of files also. So there are a wide variety of files that I can connect to when I'm working with Tab. You can also see there is a to a server option, and here you can choose to connect to a database if you are having any kind of your data online, or the Tableau server to fetch your data. And on the right hand side, there is an open option, and here you would be shown your recent work files. So I hope the downloading and installing part of Tableau is clear to you. It's a fairly simple process. You just have to head the website, and there you can see the downloader. After clicking on the downloader, you just have to press next, and you can put your info in there, and then the Tableau's screen, that is the start screen, would be visible. So we'll be meeting in the next session where we'll be talking about how to go ahead with this part. Thank you.